Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So my name is Nur Iqbal Hafizin bin Muhammad Zaidi and metric number 181151621. So I've got title Phenolic Extraction and Antibacterial Study of Eurycoma longifolia as known as Tongkat Ali and Ardisia crispa mata Pelanduk by decoction method for my final year project 1. And my beloved supervisor was Dr. Cik Wan Sharifah Rabiah Muhammad. Okay, so this is my key outline. So I will start first with introduction, then go through with problem statement, objectives, scope, then methodology, preliminary result, expected outcome, and Gantt chart. Okay, so for introduction of Eurycoma longifolia, Tongkat Ali. So this plant is a flowering plant in the family of Cimarobaceae. Then the plant is a medium-sized slender shrub that can reach 10 meter in height and is often unbranched. Then Eurycoma longifolia also is a shrubby tree that's slender in sandy soil. So the root of the plant also has been used in folk medicine of the Southeast Asian region and in modern times has common use as supplements as well as food and drinks additives. So this is the picture of Eurycoma longifolia. Then I will proceed with the introduction for Ardisia crispa or mata Pelanduk. So Ardisia crispa is an evergreen shrub growing to 1.2 meter by 2 meter. So it can be found in many Asia countries, include at Malaysia. Then the species is hermaphrodite, which has both male and female organs. And the suitable soils for this plant is sandy, loamy, and heavy or clay soils. And the preferred one is well-drained soil. So Ardisia crispa root can extract has long been used to treat a variety of human disease. Okay, so for the problem statement, so the first question is overproduction of sugar and oxidants in the human body can lead to oxidative damage to major macromolecules including lipids, DNA and proteins. So the development of numerous human illness may be traced back to this disease. So for the second problem statement is various investigations on phytochemical and antibacterial studies in various plants have been published. However, the research on the phytochemical and antimicrobial effects of Eurycoma longifolia and Ardisia crispa are still limited. Then I will proceed with objectives. Okay, so for the first objective is to extract active compound from Eurycoma longifolia and Ardisia crispa by decoction method. And this objective is for my semester 1. Okay, then for the objective 2 and 3 is for semester 2. So the number 2 is to determine the total phenolic content TPC or total flavonoid compound TFC and antioxidant activity AOA of the plant extract from Eurycoma longifolia and Ardisia crispa. Then for the third objective is to analyze the antibacterial activity of the extract produced and the phytochemical contents found in the crude extracts. Okay, now we go to the scope of our project. So the first is I need to extract dry powder of Eurycoma longifolia and Ardisia crispa using decoction method. Then number 2, I need to do a phytochemical test with total phenolic content TPC or total flavonoid content TFC and antioxidant activity AOA. So the number 3 is, or the third is, do antibacterial test on 4 reference bacteria strains, which is S. aureus, P. aeruginosa, B. subtilis, and E. coli using agar well diffusion method. Okay, for the last, which is number 4, I need to get the statistical analysis using ImageJ or SPSS. Okay, so now we go to methodology. So for the first start and then I need to extract the dry powder of Eurycoma longifolia and Ardisia crispa using decoction by boiling water. So I need to boil it with distilled water and the temperature need to be 100 degrees Celsius and the duration is for 15 minutes. Then I need to filter the crude extraction and after that I need to store it in the refrigerator. Okay, next for the I need to find the identify active compound. So I need to use HPLC test. Okay, so for the HPLC test, after I get the active compound, so I need to run 2 tests, which is the first one is phytochemical test. So the method to test is by using TPC, TFC, and AOA for the phytochemical test. Okay, Then after I get the good result, then I will proceed to statistical analysis by SPSS. But if I got the wrong result or not a good result, so I need to redevelop and do for phytochemical test again. Okay, so next for the antibacterial activity test. So the method to test is by using agar well diffusion method and use as 4 bacteria, which is as aureus, P. aeruginosa, E. coli, and B. subtilis. Okay, so if I've got the good result, then I will proceed to statistical analysis by SPSS. But if I got the not good result or bad result, so I need to redevelop the antibacterial activity test. Okay, then after get the statistical analysis by SPSS, then they finish for my project. Okay, then I move to my preliminary result. Okay, so for Eurycoma longifolia, as Tongkat Ali, I've got 1.2524 gram. Okay, then for Ardisia crispa, mata pelanduk, I've got 0.1875 gram. So this is a picture of Eurycoma longifolia weight and the picture of Ardisia crispa weight. Okay. Okay, so for the expected outcomes, so for the phytochemical test, the TPC and TFC values of silver nanoparticles synthesized need to be increased. So the antioxidant activity of plant extracts enhanced when silver nanoparticles were synthesized. So according to current findings, the silver nanoparticles with a mix of phenols, alkaloids, and flavonoids components may have the antioxidant activity. So while for the antibacterial test, the expected outcome that I will get is the antibacterial ability of silver nanoparticles was examined against 4 distinct gram-strain bacteria, so which is the E. coli, S. aureus, B. subtilis, and P. aeruginosa, as a function of concentration and activity. So the plant extracts containing the silver nanoparticles were shown to exhibit the strong antibacterial action in the investigation. Okay, so this is my Gantt chart for semester 1. Okay, so for the first week until 7 week, I've go through title selection, research on project, draft Gantt chart and flow chart, and determine active compound. Okay, so for the week 8 until week 15, so I've got a report submission, lab session, report to submission, supervisory check, submission of report, and the final report. So then this is my flowchart, Gantt chart for semester 2. So what I need to do is from the week 1 until week 11, I need to do phytochemical study, and then after done it, I can go through with antibacterial study, start from week 6 until week 13. Then I get the preliminary result. Then after get the antibacterial study result, then I go through the statistical analysis using image J. Okay, then after that I can report submission, and then for the go through the viva. Okay, so this is all from me. Thank you.